Adobe Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe Systems Incorporated. I am in no way affiliated with Adobe. Hi, I'm Steve Anthony. I'm a photographer and digital retouching artist here in New York City. In this clip, we're going to talk about how to add text to pictures in Photoshop. You simply open the picture that you wish to have text on, select your text tool, and begin typing. And what you've done is created a layer, as you can see. If you can see, you've created a text layer, which now you've incorporated into your photograph. You can change the font and the size. First of all, you have to select the text that you wish to change. You can change the font to anything you happen to have on your computer. You can change the size, make it smaller. This is a good way of labeling pictures. Just may perhaps make them into send them on to friends with a funny caption or whatever. There's any number of reasons why you might want to have text on your pictures. And you also, as you can see, in this case it's yellow, but you can change the color with your color picker to white or anything that you like. Place the text anywhere you like, move it around by clicking and dragging with the Move tool, and place it wherever you like. This is Steve Anthony, and this has been how to add text to pictures in Photoshop.